A Supreme Court justice just passed away recently, and now Trump has the distinguishing decision to replace her. This is going to be a two-part video. The first one is going to explain each judge that has the highest chance of getting into that seat. The first one today deals with a young lady that was in the headlines a year ago, along with Brett Kavanaugh. She is part of the Roberts Five, believe it or not, just to put it out there. Amy Coney Barrett. You need to understand what she's fully all about, ladies and gentlemen. It is very important that you understand what was researched, and you need to do your own research and draw your own conclusions as to what I bring to your attention. I'm going to bring up a major case for starters. You need to understand what is at stake here. It's a lifetime position. Keep that in mind. There was a case that she ruled on last year involving an individual whose wife was not a citizen and he was. The point is, ladies and gentlemen, they ruled that she should have gotten citizenship because she has rights. Well, there's an anomaly with this. She wasn't a citizen. That was the key problem. She shouldn't have ruled in that demeanor. That's all I'm going to say on that one. She has a stern neutralization when it comes to the death penalty, and this is very important. We're entering a period where justice is happening. If she's ruling against taking a stance for the death penalty, this is very concerning, and I'm almost certain Trump is looking into this matter. We need someone that's going to back the death penalty, especially with all the criminals we are having arrested and having executed for their crimes. The previous issue I brought to your attention, the death penalty, stems from the fact that she is Catholic, and she is using the Catholic religion to not take a stance. Article 6, Section 3 of the U.S. Constitution says she cannot use religion as a basis to not make a ruling or decision. None of her decisions should be ruled based on her religion. That should be left at home, taken out of the equation, especially when she's behind this bench. When it comes to Lady Justice, people, we need someone up there that's going to do the job, not someone that's going to use their religion or make questionable decisions based on what they've done. The bottom line, ladies and gentlemen, is this woman right for the bench? I don't think so. And hopefully the president will see this and take stern action against this. By the way, that same action as far as her Catholic faith, she has also thrown hints about not taking a stance on Roe versus Wade. This is very discouraging, ladies and gentlemen. You need to understand what's really going on here. Do your research and draw your own conclusions, because this is the lifetime appointment that she's about to get if she is the one. Be vigilant, folks.